Hello, I'm Ron, co-founder and CEO of Airobotics. Airobotics is about to revolutionize the drone industry. In the next couple of minutes, we'll show you how. This is a large mining facility. The possibilities for drones to create real value in a facility like this are endless. Let's see a couple of examples.
Routine inspections with drones not only significantly saves resources, but also prevents endangerment of employees performing them.
Drones are also uniquely qualified to measure stockpiles like these. This has tremendous value in calculating inventory and preventing waste. This facility has over 100 CCTV cameras and 2 vehicles patrolling the perimeter 24/7.
A drone is certainly a valuable addition to the facility's security efforts, enabling limitless aerial perspective.
Industrial facilities like this one have many dangerous elements that need to be monitored continually.
Jobs like checking a gas tank for a leak can easily be done by a drone without risk to personnel.
There are 2 ways you can use drones at a facility like this. The first is drone as a service. This method uses a third-party drone operator, which is costly and not always on demand when you need it. The second way is owning and operating your own drone. But due to required expertise, this burdens the facility with training staff and does not create accurate results. Let me show you how it should be done.
To properly accommodate all the needs we have just seen, we have created a drone-based solution, which includes the Airobotics Airbase, drone, and software. Our core technology is truly autonomous. That means drones are launched and landed automatically without need for a pilot. Our system is easily operated by anyone from anywhere, and drone missions are deployed with the click of a button. We have refined the way drones are used and have turned them into a professional industrial tool. Sensor and battery swapping capabilities turn our drone into a multi-tool that brings unprecedented value across various applications, including security, inspection, mapping and surveying, emergency response. Our cutting-edge software integrates various distinct data types, which is translated into clear, concise, real-time insights. Our team of multidisciplinary professionals delivers the highest value to the most complex industrial enterprises. The Airobotics solution becomes a permanent part of the facility and integral to its routine operations.
Airobotics is redefining the drone industry, ushering a future where industrial enterprises make informed decisions based on the insightful aerial data. This is the future of drones.